Good morning, dear students. So in today's class we will see a few more examples to reduce to canonical form. So the first problem is reduce the equation dou square z by dou x square equal to x square dou square z by dou y square to canonical form. So you are asked to reduce only to the canonical form but not to find the solution. So first we look at the values of r, s and t. So you can see that r is 1, s is 0 and t is minus x square. So s square minus 4rt will be 4x square, so which is always positive. So therefore the equation is hyperbolic. So therefore the lambda quadratic equation is r lambda square plus s lambda plus t. So substituting r, s and t, you will get lambda square minus x square equal to 0. So therefore you will get lambda equal to x and minus x. So that is the values of lambda 1 and lambda 2. You will have x and minus x. So we can write down the characteristic equation now. Characteristic equation will be dy by dx plus x equal to 0 and dy by dx minus x equal to 0. So you can write it as dy plus x dx equal to 0 and dy minus x dx equal to 0. So when you integrate, you will get y plus x square by 2 equal to c1 and y minus x square by 2 equal to c2. So therefore you are getting two linearly independent solutions. So this will be the value of u and v. So let me take u equal to y plus x square by 2 and v equal to y minus x square by 2. And now we need to find the derivatives r and t. Dou square z by dou x square and dou square z by dou y square in terms of u and v. So first we'll find values of p and q. So p is dou z by dou x. So by chain rule, you will get dou z by dou u into dou u by dou x plus dou z by dou v into dou v by dou x. So dou u by dou x will be x and dou v by dou x will be minus x. So you will get zu into x, then minus zv into x. Similarly q will be, so you will get dou z by dou u into dou u by dou y varum, dou z by dou v into dou v by dou y. Ni dou u by dou y dou v by dou y random 1 aanu. So that will give you zu plus zv. So this is the value of q. Ini namukku kandupidikenda r um t u aanu. So r is dou by dou x of dou z by dou x. So dou by dou x of x into zu minus zv varum. Now here first I am using the product rule. Okay. By product rule, so you will get zu minus zv into derivative of x. Zu minus zv varum plus this I can write x times dou by dou x of zu minus zv. Ini ee portion la ee derivative kandupidikkan chain rule use cheya. So you will get zu minus zv plus x times now by using chain rule, dou by dou u of zu minus zv into dou u by dou x varum plus dou by dou v of zu minus zv into dou v by dou x. Dou by dou u of zu minus zv എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് zuu minus zvu and dou by dou v എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ you will get zuv minus zvv. ഇനി dou u by dou x ഉം dou v by dou x ഉം substitute ചെയ്യുക. So you will get x and minus x. So you will get zu minus zv plus x times x into zuu minus zvv, then minus x into zuv minus zvv. So you will get in this form. Okay. So on simplifying, you will get zu minus zv plus x square times zuu minus 2 zuv plus zvv. And that is the value of r. Now t is dou by dou u of zu plus zv. So directly chain rule use cheya. അപ്പോൾ dou u of zu plus zv into dou u by dou y വരും plus dou by dou v of zu plus zv into dou v by dou y. Dou u by dou y ഉം dou v by dou y ഉം രണ്ടും 1 ആണ്. So rest you will have the partial derivative of zu plus zv with respect to u and v. So that will give you zuu plus 2 zuv plus zvv. And so we have got r and t. So r ന്റെ വാല്യൂ ഇതാണ്, t ഇനി രണ്ടും സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. So on substituting in the given equation, so you will get zu minus zv plus x square times zuu minus 2zuv plus zvv equal to x square times zuu plus 2zuv plus zvv. അപ്പോൾ zuu zvv വരുന്ന ടേംസ് ക്യാൻസൽ ആവും. So remaining you will get zu minus zv equal to x square into 4zuv. So now the equation must be in terms of u and v. Appa x square can be substituted as u minus v. So using the equations of u and v, x square nu parayna u minus v avum. So this gives us the equation. Now it is a hyperbolic equation. So you are going to get in the form dou square z by dou v dou u equal to, so it's a function of u v and dou z by dou u and dou z by dou v. So this is the required canonical form. So next example is reduce the equation dou square z by dou x square plus 2 dou square z by dou x dou y plus dou square z by dou y square equal to 0 to canonical form, and hence solve it. So here you need to find the solution also. So first of all, r, s and t. R is 1, s is 2 and t is 1. So s square minus 4rt 0 ആവും. So therefore it is a parabolic equation. So s square minus 4rt 0 ആവുമ്പോൾ you will have equal roots for the quadratic equation. So the quadratic equation is lambda square plus 2 lambda plus 1 equal to 0. So you will get lambda plus 1 whole square equal to 0. So lambda will be minus 1 minus 1. So you will have only a single characteristic equation. So that is dy by dx minus 1 equal to 0. So you will get dy minus dx equal to 0. Upon integrating you will get y minus x equal to c1. അപ്പോൾ u ന്റെ വാല്യൂ y minus x വരും. Now you have to choose v such that u and v are linearly independent. So that is the choice of the function v. So here I'll choose the most simpler function which is independent with this. അപ്പോൾ that is y plus x. Okay. നമുക്ക് അങ്ങനെ സിമിലർ ആയിട്ടുള്ള പ്ലസോ മൈനസോ ആയിട്ട് ചൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുവാണെങ്കിൽ അതായിരിക്കും ഏറ്റവും കൺവീനിയൻ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള independent function. Okay, so here v is so I'm going to choose it as y plus x. Now we'll find p, q, r, s and t. So we need r, s and t for the substitution. So p will be so dou z by dou u into dou u by dou x plus dou z by dou v into dou v by dou x. So dou u by dou x is minus 1 and dou v by dou x is 1. So you are going to get zv minus zu. അതുപോലെ q will be dou z by dou y. So that is dou z by dou u into dou u by dou y plus dou z by dou v into dou v by dou y. So dou u by dou y ഉം dou v by dou y ഉം രണ്ടും 1 ആണ്. So you will get zu plus zv. And next find r. So r is dou by dou x of zv minus zu. So you will get dou by dou u of zv minus zu. So that is this into dou u by dou x minus 1 varum plus dou z by dou v. So that is this into dou v by dou x is 1. So this will be the value of r. And s എന്ന് പറയുന്ന dou by dou y of p എടുക്കുക. Dou by dou y of dou z by dou x. So I'm taking dou by dou y of zv minus zu. So you will get dou by dou u of zv minus zu, that is this, into dou u by dou y is 1 plus dou by dou v of zv minus zu, which is this, into 1 varum. So that will give us ഇത് രണ്ടും 1 ആണ്. So zuv cancel ആവും. So you will get zvv minus zuu. ഇനി അതുപോലെ t will be dou by dou y of zu plus zv. So that will give zuu plus zvu into 1 plus zuv plus zvv into 1. So this is the value of t. Now on substituting r, s and t, so we will get in the form, and so this is the form. So r plus 2s plus t. So zvv 4 times zvv varum. Now you have minus 2 zuv. Then you have plus 2 zuv. അപ്പോൾ അത് cancel ആവും. അതുപോലെ zuu positive zuu 2 times under, then negative zuu minus 2 times. So that will cancel off. So you will get equation in the form zvv equal to 0. So that is dou square z by dou v square equal to 0. So this is the required canonical form. So it is in the parabolic form. Parabolic form edukkumbo you are getting in this form. Dou square z by dou v square equal to function of uv, then zu zv, allengi you have dou square z by dou u square allengi dou v square. Now for finding the solution, ഇപ്പോൾ directly integrate ചെയ്യുക. Integrate ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഇപ്പോൾ derivative 0 ആയതുകൊണ്ട്, so when you integrate with respect to v, you will obtain a constant. അപ്പോൾ constant in the sense it can be a function of u. So dou z by dou v will be some function f of u, and again integrate with respect to v. ഇപ്പോൾ this is a constant. അപ്പോൾ f of u നെ integrate ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ you will get v f of u plus a constant, that will be g of u. So now substitute u and v. So v is y plus x and u is y minus x. So the required solution is y plus x into f of y minus x plus g of y minus x. So this is the solution of the given partial differential equation. Thank you.